Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva Background updated. Start by opening a design and selecting background in the left panel, then pick an image or color. Use the search bar to filter patterns, gradients, or photos, and drag your chosen background onto the canvas. Adjust position, scale, and transparency to create depth. Lock the background layer to avoid accidental edits while you work on foreground elements. Open your design and click Replace Background to instantly swap what's behind your content and see rapid variations. Use Edit Image tools to adjust brightness, contrast, or add a subtle blur for focus. Crop carefully and reposition the background to keep important elements centered or follow the rule of thirds. Lock layers and group foreground elements after placement so you can refine typography and icons without moving the background. Experiment with overlays and blend modes to make backgrounds work with text and icons, creating contrast without overpowering your message. Add gradient fills or semi-transparent shapes to guide the eye toward focal points, and consider color harmony for readability. Use high-resolution images and export using the recommended dimensions and file type for your platform. Keep accessibility in mind by checking contrast ratios so your design is legible for all viewers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.